Simple molecules become complex molecules. No, complex molecules become simple molecules. Happening in cellular respiration, yes. These are exothermic. Exothermic means energy releasing. Energy releasing means exothermic. Okay? Energy absorbing means endothermic. Can you understand the difference between endothermic and exothermic?
Yes, madam.
Okay. It is a type of metabolism. Yes, metabolism type. Then answer is number 2. Correct sequence of the energy pathway. Answer. Correct about energy pathway. Answer is number
4.
Yes, very good. All organisms depend on the sun. Okay. Then sun is rising and released solar energy. The solar energy is absorbed by photo. Especially phototrophs. Phototrophs in all plants, all algae, some bacteria. Okay. All plants, all algae, and some bacteria. Then here the photosynthesis is happening. In the photosynthesis process, solar energy becomes chemical energy. Okay. In solar energy is deposited in glucose as the chemical energy. Then herbivores. If it is a grass, herbivores like rabbits, I cannot do drawings properly. Herbivores eat plants. Then what happens? This chemical energy goes to these bodies. Okay, chemical energy goes to these bodies. Then carnivores like lions. Carnivores like lions. Carnivores like lions eat herbivores. Then the energy of herbivores is going to these bodies. Okay, carnivores or omnivores. ඒක තේරුණාද? අපි කියනවා මෙයාගේ 10%. يعني මෙයාගේ තිබිච්ච එකෙන් 10% වගේ තමයි මෙයාට යන්නේ. මෙයාගෙන් 10% තමයි මෙයාට යන්නේ. එහෙම. Can you understand?
Yes, madam.
This is the energy pathway. Then answer is number 4. This represents the effect of what with the enzyme rate of reaction? මෙතන මොකද්ද? graph එක කොයි මොකද්ද represent වෙන්නේ? මේ පැත්තට මොකක් ඇඩ් කරොත්ද enzyme එකේ rate එක මේ විදිහට යන්නේ. y is equal to mx විදිහට.
Enzymatic concentration.
Yes, enzyme concentration. අපි concentration කියන එක represent කරනවා මෙන්න මේ විදිහට. මේ විදිහ bracket එකක් ආවොත් ඒක concentration එක කියන එක තමයි ඒකෙන් represent වෙන්නේ. ඒ enzymatic concentration කියලා කිව්වා enzyme ගාන මෙහෙම දැම්මොත් ඒක concentration එක තමයි එන්නේ. Then answer is number 4. Nitrogen base contained in ATP is
Adenine.
Yes, that is why we call as adenosine triphosphate. Transitional type of energy in ATP. We can consider two answers, light energy and chemical energy. In oxidative phosphorylation, chemical energy is again transferred to the type of chemical energy. But photophosphorylation, light energy is transferred into chemical energy. Therefore, 1 and 5 can be considered. Not a factor involving in the enzymatic reaction.
Humidity.
Yes, humidity. Correct about the mechanisms which describe the enzymatic activity. Answer is okay. Number 5. Enzymes are proteins. Correct or not?
Correct.
Yes, correct. All enzymes are proteins. All proteins are enzymes. True or false? First one.
First one correct.
Second one incorrect. You can see any other proteins other than enzymes like albumin. So many proteins active marching like proteins. Enzymes produce products from reactants due to its catalytic activity. Take the example lactase. If the lactase is reactant, galactose and glucose are the products. Enzyme is lactase. Lactase produce products from reactants, so that can be considered. Enzyme is bound to the substrate and produce enzyme substrate complex. Always remember that always enzyme is larger than the substrate. If this is the enzyme, there is a binding site we called as what? This one called as active. Yes, active site. After binding substrate to the active site, the whole structure we call as enzyme substrate complex. Are you drawing these things?
Yes, madam.
Then it can be considered. Active site is located at the enzyme. Enzyme or substrate. Active site is located at the
Enzyme.
enzyme. 2 correct. Induced fit mechanism says that the shape of the active site is equal to the shape of the substrate molecule. Correct or no?
Wrong.
Just wrong. Why?
Equal කියලා කියන්න බෑනේ madam, complementary.
Oh, earlier in the old syllabus, we were talked about 2 mechanisms. Key lock mechanism, and the second one is induced fit mechanism. මේ key lock mechanism එකේ කියනවා හරියටම enzyme එකේ active site එකේ shape එක substrate එකට හරියටම equal කියලා. හරි? equal කියලා. ඒතර ඒක modify වෙලා තමයි induced fit mechanism එකේ කියන්නේ. describe කරලා තියෙන්නේ ඒක කියන්නේ මේ හරියටම complementary නැහැ කියලා. මේක the shape of the active site can be slightly movable. After reaching the substrate to the enzyme, its the shape of the active site can be adjusted according to the shape of the substrate. හරියටම exactly equal නැහැ කියලා තමයි ඒකෙදි කියන්නේ. يعني අපි කියනවා මේක සිංහල term එක එන්නේ ප්‍රේරිත සීගුම් කියලානේ. සීහුම් වෙනවා කියන්නේ සීහුම් වෙනවා කියන්නේ ෆිට වෙනවා කියන idea එක. ප්‍රේරණය වෙනවා කියලා කියන්නේ නිකන් ඒක තේරුම ඉන්ඩියුස් වෙනවා කියන්නේ. ඒත් අපි කියනවා සබ්ස්ට්‍රේට් එක එන්සයිම් එක ළඟට ආවහම ඒකට සීහුම් වෙන يعني ඒකට සීහුම් ෆිට වෙන ෂේප් එකක් ඉන්ඩියුස් කරගන්නවා ප්‍රේරණය කරගන්නවා කියන එක තමයි මේක විස්තර කරනකොට exactly يعني 100% ෂේප් එක same නෑ සබ්ස්ට්‍රේට් එකේ ෂේප් එකට active site එකේ shape එක same වෙන්නේ නැහැ කියලා තමයි මේ second mechanism එකේදී describe වෙන්නේ මම ආර මේ කිව්වේ මේක modify වෙලා තමයි මෙතෙන්ට ඇවිල්ලා තියෙන්නේ. මේ all syllabus එක මේක අපි discuss කරා. Then answer is number 1. Select the incorrect statement.
Fourth one.
Yes, disulfide bonds are heat stable. Enzymes are macromolecules which act as biological catalysts. So tell me what are the macromolecules? Okay, all carbohydrates. Are all carbohydrates macromolecules?
Yes.
All carbohydrates?
No.
No. Which carbohydrates?
Monosaccharides.
Again?
Monosaccharides.
No. Macromolecules means the most complex one. Monomers should be bound together and it should be polymerized. Monomers should be polymerized. After polymerization, the producing product, the product we called as the polymer. So now, can you tell me what are the polymers of carbohydrates?
Polysaccharides.
Polysaccharides, yes. All carbohydrates are not considered as polymers, but polysaccharides are considered as polymers. And lipids, all lipids. All lipids considered as polysaccharides. Correct or no?
No.
No. අපි කිසිම lipid එකක් consider කරන්නේ නැහැ macromolecule එකක් polymer එකක් විදිහට. එතනදී macromolecule is equal to the polymer. And all proteins
Polymers.
yes, all proteins are polymers from the primary structure. Primary structure is also a, if those are amino acid, those are the peptide bonds. The primary structure is also a macromolecule. All nucleic acids,
Polymers.
yes, polymers. Polymers විදිහට ඔක්කොම polymers කියලා ගන්න පුළුවන් proteins වල nucleic acids වලයි. Lipids ඕනම එකක් polymers විදිහට consider කරන්නේ නැහැ. Carbohydrates වලින් polysaccharides විතරක් අපි polymers විදිහට consider කරනවා. ඒකට මේක හොඳ MCQ point එකක්. ලියා ගන්න පැත්තකින් ලියලා තියාගන්න. pen එක ලියලා highlight කරලා ඕන එකක් කරගත්තට කමක් නැහැ මේ. මේක වැදගත්. ඊට පස්සේ enzymes are macromolecules which act as biological catalysts. Enzymes are proteins, therefore enzymes are macromolecules. According to the modern explanations, the shape of the active site in an enzyme should not completely equal to the shape of the substrate molecules. Yes, it is described in the induced fit mechanism. Copper 2 plus is an inorganic cofactor. Yes, copper 2 plus, iron 2 plus, and other one is what? Zinc 2 plus. Enzymes produce products from reactants due to its catalytic activity. Catalytic activity means what? Or catalysis means what?
Increase in the rate of reaction.
Yes, increase in the rate of reaction. මේ catalysis කියන term එකෙන් describe වෙන්නේ rate එක increase වෙනවා කියන එක නෙවෙයි. catalysis කරාම rate එක increase වෙනවා කියන එක හරියි. catalysis කියන එකෙන් මේ describe වෙන්නේ decrease the activation energy. Requirement. Decrease in the activation energy requirement. Then it leads to the increasement of the rate of the reaction. Can you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
මේවා අමතක වෙනවා හින්දා පොඩ්ඩක් එතනින් ලියලා question එකයි explanation එකයි question එකයි explanation එකයි පාඩම් කරන්න theory පාඩම් කරන විදිහට පාඩම් කරන්න. එතකොට හරි. Then after passing 4 degrees Celsius temperature, disulfide bonds in the enzymes are destroyed. At this 4 degrees temperature, there is a special name for this 4 degrees Celsius. But which temperature?
Optimum temperature.
Optimal temperature. Action of many competitive inhibitors are irreversible. Sorry, reversible. Correct or wrong? Inhibitors are two types, competitive and non-competitive. Competitive එකනේ තරංගකාරීත්වයෙන් ආවට ඒකේ ප්‍රදාපවත්ම අඩුයි. That means irreversible. වැඩි තරංග කරන්නේ නැතුව shape එක හැමින් ඇවිල්ලා මෙතන permanently bound වෙනවා. එතකොට ඒක sorry, this is reversible. මෙතන irreversible. මෙතන කෙලින්ම බැඳෙන්නේ active site එක. මෙතෙන්ට තමයි මේ inhibitor එක බැඳෙන්නේ. මෙතනදී වෙනත් තැනකට තමයි inhibitor එක බැඳෙන්නේ. මේක නම් active site එක. other site එකකට තමයි බැඳෙන්නේ inhibitor එක. Then answer is number 4. මේකත් අඳගන්න වැඩි වෙන්නේ. Incorrect about pH value of enzymes. What is your answer?
Fifth one.
Fifth or fourth? There is a symmetrical graph between the rate of enzymatic rate. Symmetrical graph. Looks like this. pH range is the activated range of enzymes. This range. This axis represents the pH name. Here the rate. Optimal pH values of the enzymes of stomach and intestine are different. Yes, this is the rate. If this is the pH, there are two graphs. No? Here, pepsine and trypsine. Optimal temperature here is 2 and here is 8. Make up, you can draw this one also. When the pH decreases than the optimal value, if this is the optimal value, when the pH decreases than the optimal value, that means here,